How you doing? Not much. Late.
Just a wee bit.
I thought Jewish people were supposed to be punctual.
Huh?
I thought Jewish people were supposed to be punctual.
Yeah, but you know, I had to go from Santa Rosa to the Napa Valley to here. Like, that shit was annoying.
I brought the brat.
Yeah.
So that's that. Yeah.
Oh damn, dude. That's it. You're filming right now?
Right now.
Oh, dude. Great.
Yeah. So if you see this in the bathroom later, you know what I mean? You know what I'm going for.
Awesome, dude.
HD, boy.
That's sick as fuck. Right here at Primitive Science Radio. Got Eli in the mix. We are getting ready to get Noah in the mix here.
What are you doing?